Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day everyone. Welcome once again to our Bible study today. The question is, at what point in life does an individual first become sinful? The answer is, some people have the erroneous idea that the first time you sin personally, you die spiritually. Not true. Even though you were born physically alive, at that instant, you are born spiritually dead. God does not condemn you for acts of personal sin. His attitude is not based on what you do, because as a newborn baby, you have done nothing good or bad. God's attitude is based upon the fact that your physical body is contaminated by the sin nature and you are spiritually dead. As you develop physically and mentally, you begin to commit acts of personal sin. That is the point in life. You first become sinful.